Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the corner tool, which is this button right here, to directly edit and curve any point on your vector shape. So if I start by drawing a square and click on the corner tool, you'll see that each of the corners on the square are now editable. So to edit one corner on the square, click on it to select it and hold down on your mouse button or trackpad as you drag your point to round your corner to the position that you'd like it. You can also return the point to its original position to turn it back into a pointed corner, and you just need to drag it the other way until it hits that same point to be able to do that. If you'd like to edit all of your corners at the same time, you can click and drag to select all corners on your shape, click on the corner tool again, and click and drag from one of the points to edit them all at the same time. You can also edit the radius directly. So for example, if you wanted this to be rounded by 75 pixels instead of 77.5, you can type that in whilst all the points are still highlighted and hit enter on your keyboard for the change to be applied. You can use the corner tool on all sorts of vector shapes in Affinity Designer. So for example, if I draw a star and increase the number of points, then if I click on the corner tool and click and drag to select all of the points on the star, and then click and drag from one of the corners for all of the corners to be edited at the same time and have the same radius, that will form a cog-like shape like this. You can also click on just one of the points to edit it directly. So if I use a triangle for one last example, there's my triangle, and I click on the corner tool and click on the top point of the triangle to select it. Then I'm going to click and hold as I'm dragging the point down, and that will leave you with one rounded corner at the top of the shape.